Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to tell you one of the important law related to light chapter of your class 10th, and that law is laws of refraction of light. So here you can see first law. What is the first law? The incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. As you can see in the diagram, that this is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray, and this is normal. So, according to the first law, incident ray, normal, and refracted ray all lie on the same plane, right? So, this is the first law that you should remember. Now, second law is very important. That is, for given pair of media, the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is constant, and that is sine I upon sine r is equal to mu. Okay, this mu is called refractive index. Okay, so what is the meaning? See in the diagram. Here you can see the angle made with normal and incident ray, that is called angle of incidence, and the angle made with normal and refracted ray, that is R, that is called angle of refraction, right? So according to the second law, that is also called Snell's law, what is that? The ratio of sine of I, sine of R, that is a constant, and that constant is called mu, refractive index. Okay, so how will you say refractive index? You can say like that. This is the refractive index. Suppose second medium is glass. Here you can see first medium is air. So you can say it is the refractive index of glass with respect to air, and this is equal to sine I upon sine r. So this value is always constant for given pair of media. Given pair of media means here air and glass are the two mediums. So this is fixed for the given medium. So that is why it is constant for that. So this is your second law of refraction. So I hope it is now clear to everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.